On 13th May 2022, the General Secretary of the BJP Shillong City, Rocky Hegg, had announced his resignation from his position and also from his primary membership of the party. Speaking to reporters on Friday, Rocky Hegg cited personal reasons for his resignation from the BJP and added that in the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections of 2023, he will be contesting from the Pynthorumkhrah constituency on an NPP ticket, since despite his hard work and sincerity as a BJP worker, he was never recognized for his efforts in promoting the party in the state. Hegg also apologized to his supporters from North Shillong Constituency for his inability to continue in the party, which he has been sincerely serving for the past many years.
Candidate bang yang MDC Arsen bat nga yo kebut rubun nang na Pynthorumkhrah konsesi ta pelong nga bangan yang kan election ta ara apply na Pynthorumkhrah konsesi kasulong no omne gane karai kalau ngasem ni yang nasam dungi ni mairi idi wemeli I hap hi ban yang dengar orang ada we candidate tu ba pai ba hi ki jangan ke kuan penyang ka kasulong bat pai ba hi dengan mi semat kemudian jingga player dengan bahek, mai di family mengaku di candidate. Ngapuram hi kata, sama di ukuni jonga, tinggal lihat nama apa politics dia kumbang alam ompi there's no permanent friend di perlu kasih, di kena samla kilong kumi kilong pakai intellectual. Andai mentang ladan apa ke parti ngandarom ngandayo ketika na NPP, te obviously ngan jalan naik kis pok NPP, but ngapelong ke meeting hi, but maki kubur hi, jong ba, ikloy, tak sabab pilih maki.